Hi, my name's Michelle Hall, and I'm a special guardian for my grandson who's 12. He came to live with me just before his fourth birthday. And one of the things that really shocked me when I became a special guardian was how little support there was with contact, not just for me, but also for my daughter, the birth parent, and my grandson. And it was really shocking how much contact I was actually expected to have as a special guardian and the impact that had on the family, the relationships, but also on my grandson. And I think that with kinship families, there's often a case of let's just let you get on with it. Is kept within the family, the child's within the family, so you don't need as much support. And actually, my grandson still had a lot of the issues that any other child that's had early childhood trauma has got. He had, developmental trauma and attachment issues. And I believe that contact could impact on those issues. So, as part of being a special guardian and wanting to make change, I decided that one way that that was possible was to do some research into the area. I was already doing a master's in family support, and I decided that my empirical dissertation would speak to both special guardians and practitioners about their experience of supporting contact. This then led me on to taking on a PhD, and my current PhD is looking at the experiences of special guardians and the experience of birth parents, because I feel that birth parents are often missed within the literature and their views are really important. I feel by involving both birth parents and special guardians, we can look at how contact can be a better quality for the child and mitigate some of those circumstances of the developmental trauma and attachment issues. So when I heard that Family Futures were doing this conference, I thought I was so interested. I thought this is brilliant. This really fits in with my experiences as a special guardian, but also the research that I'm currently doing. So I'm really looking forward to presenting with Geoff Hudson in session 4, and I hope to see you all there. Thank you.